You just wake, you wakey wakey. You wakey wakey. You wakey wakey.
Ain't my breast, they don't have.
You wakey wakey. You wakey wakey. Amesh. Yes, yes. My yes, yes. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da.
I thought you look fresh.
Boop, boop, boop.
Fresh. Fresh.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is, you close the door, sweetie, right?
Yeah.
This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. It's a Friday in Kenya. The sun is out now. Skies are blue. Blue skies. There's no rain anymore. As you can see, the peace and the love and the sunlight is out. Yeah, family. So it's a Friday. We're about to go on the road, and me and Miss Jam Tour is about to go on the road. And guys, and sometimes I wish that I didn't have to do all of this video, family, but I have no other choice. I have no other choice but to talk about my situation with DeeMwango family, because that's the only way. You have the key? No. That's the only way, guys, my heart will be at peace. That's the only way. Yeah, families, as I was saying, the only way my heart will be at peace is for me to make these videos until the court rule or Diana or DeeMwango actually come to our senses and realize that these things not get anywhere, it just will get worse. Because when I think about everything, I am on the internet from 2004, and DeeMwango for just come on the internet 2019 and come actually scam me and say she gonna block me. Tell me now, family. You know, I am on the internet long before these people, and these people to come and block me on the internet and scam me, and I should just take it like that. I should just take it like that and say nothing at all, fall up in a corner like a wimp, like a simp, and do nothing about it. Tell me now. If I'm gonna make video every day, every week, just talking about my situation, analyzing, and get people to understand who we're dealing with, so nobody else gets scammed. See what I'm saying, family? So I'm just waiting on Miss Jam Tours to come to actually read this comment, because you know the foot soldier them out, the keyboards reactors them out. You know, people now start to wake up and see the light now that she's in Jamaica and stuff, after she scam a Jamaican, and she wanna keep it silent like a secret. The brother them do the same thing. That's what they do, family. So, you know, the foot soldiers them start comment, and somebody drop a comment on a recent video. I want Miss Jam Tours to come and read it and see if she gonna delete the comment, family. I'm sure she will delete it, because our moderators them, she and our moderators them is the same. Our moderators them help her to commit these activities. You know what I mean? When people actually come on our channel and talk in the truth and comment and say, you know, what happened and stuff. You know what I mean? The moderator then support her. The moderator then delete the comment. Even in the live chat, when people are trying to say something, the moderator them actually delete the comment, family. So the moderator is a part of our schemes. All our moderator them, you guys are part of our schemes. We need to go to Diana in her face and tell her the truth. You know what I mean? And stop allow her to do these things to people, family. You know what I mean? Stop allow her to do these things to people. You know what I mean? But not everybody is fool, family. There are people out there that is waking up and seeing what is happening and what she's doing, family. You have people that is analyzing and seeing that these people, she's not real, she's fake. All of these things she's just doing to actually, you know what I mean, you know, get views and make people feel like she's a good person, and deep down she's not a good person. And what's in the dark must come out in the light. Because you can do somebody something like that, and you know what I mean, if I even feel actually, you know, rectify the situation in a way that we don't have to go through this situation. You know, but you know, and that's the thing. I feel like so because I have a few subscribers, and I wasn't on the internet like that, like doing YouTube and stuff. They feel like they can just block people. The same thing the brother do with King of Travel. She take his things and for the collaboration. And when the man, you know, try to link up for the collaboration, Mara decide to block the man. So you see what I'm saying, family? That's just what it is. That's what they do. You know, when they don't, when them do you wrong, they just block you. You know what I mean? But the situation now go end like how she think it's gonna end. Trust me. You know what I mean? She can run, but she cannot hide from this law, and she cannot hide from the internet. It's a worldwide internet, and this is what we're gonna do, family. So I'm waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come. The car is pretty dirty because of the rain, and as you can see, guys, the rim then is so dirty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it to my first guy, the manual guy. Normally I go to the power wash guy. I'm actually gonna go to the manual guy to have this car washed in a manual way, so we can get the car in condition, good condition. So, you know, let's go. I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come to read this comment from a foot soldier that actually comment on DeeMwango recent video asking about Jam Tours situation. You know, it's been known that she's been actually, you know, deleting comments and removing chats when they mention Jam Tours family. So let's wait for Miss Jam Tours to come, and we can actually, you know, read this comment, analyze it, and, you know, I don't want more people like more foot soldier like this to come out and just raise the question to see if we can get her to actually resolve this issue before things get worse, because things now get better, you know. Don't only get worse. You know, it's already in the court system, and I'm willing to actually drop the charges or whatever it is if she try to resolve this, because I'm not looking for money out of this or anything, but it's the principle I should do to Jam Tours. I can't stand for that. I can't stand for somebody scam me bold face like that. You know what I mean? I send money for you to actually get the apartment, everything, furnish it out and everything, and you just come and just take over everything. You know, just because of one little clause, you use that. You know, that's not justice. You know, that's not justice, family. You know what I mean? So, you know, that's not fair. And as an honest person, you know, you shouldn't be doing that. If you claim that you're honest and stuff, you shouldn't be doing that. So it's not all about the money for me, family. It's about the principle about the situation. You know what I mean? And that's the reason why I'm willing to go the end of the road. You know, when you see your attorney not collect the money from you yet, you know that it's gonna be a real case in court. So I'm just doing this so she will actually, you know, fall to her feet and come off her IASs or come off her IAS and decide to resolve this issue with Jam Tour. Put your pride aside and resolve this. I'm willing to remove all the videos and everything and stuff like that. So Miss Jam Tour has just come, family. So let's go. You want to drive?
Yes, I want to.
You want to drive, so we're gonna read the message.
You.
Eh?
You.
I'm gonna hold the camera.
So you drive. It's fine.
Yeah, you'll drive, come back.
Okay.
Alright, family, let's go.
Okay, Daddy.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, Miss Jam Tours is here and she's about to read the message. This foot soldier, I really applaud you for commenting this comment to actually, you know what I mean, open the eyes of DeeMwango's followers, for them to advise her to do the right thing, family. So really applaud you for that one. What happened?
I don't know where it looked.
Let me find it for you. Yeah, family, so I'm just looking for this message to give Miss Jam Tours. Just slide it like this to bring it back.
Ah.
Yeah, and stuff.
Alright.
So Miss Jam Tours gonna read the message from the foot soldier, and that's on Diana recent videos, that DeeMwango recent video that she posts in Ocherius. So people start to make noise, and I'm happy, guys. I need some more foot soldier make noise, because truth is justice, justice is right, and right is justice. You know, not because she's your follower and you like her videos and stuff, that don't mean that you're supposed to dupe somebody, scam somebody, you know, say bad things to them and just block them and nothing should come out of it, fam. That is not nice. And you know, our loyal supporter should be disappointed in her to see she's doing like that. She's a public figure and she should behave like one and stop. Make people look at her that way, because this thing will not go away. I am on the internet long before her, and you know what I mean.
Now when you say that, some people who are small-minded people, when they hear you saying you've been in the internet before her, they'll be like, Diana has the subscription. But guys, let me tell you, internet is not just about YouTube.
Yeah, all she knows to do is
Just so
upload
you
a
know,
YouTube video.
let me
And
educate
I've been
you.
around her, and I seen her, and she don't know nothing about the internet. All
So
she knows
the
to
only
do is
thing
to upload a YouTube video. That's all.
the only
But
thing
there's
people
mhm.
the only thing she might think she knows is just YouTube. But yeah, you've been in the internet for the long time. I know.
Yeah, there's a lot of things I know about the internet. You know what I mean? So she feel like say, oh, you know what I mean? You know, I need to create a blog about the situation yet, and put in all the receipts and all of these things. Those things will be on it forever. When people Google your name and look for DeeMwango, they're not in a partnership with you, they're not in a business with you, because there's evidence and proof that you scam a Jamaican. And I need to create a blog about the situation yet,
You know,
and monetize it on Google, SEO and everything. So, you know what I mean? And that blog will always be there.
you can tapping things. Okay. Anyway, so what I was saying, I was disappointed in those other comments of people saying, oh, you're not saying the right thing and stuff. So I like what this guy has said, like she should come out and give her side of the story, you
It's
know?
Georgia Plummet. Respect
Yeah.
Georgia Plummet for that one. I really appreciate that comment, and I need more people to comment things like that. Get her reaction and make she come and say something about it, because she.
So, Dee, there is a video out there from one of my fellow Jamaicans saying you are a scammer. What is this thing? Saying that you are a scammer, that our Jamaican people should be careful of you. This person's YouTube is called Jamtours Africa. He said Jamaican people not to trust you because you are not trustworthy. He said he sent money to you for you to rent an apartment for him in Kenya, and he was living in the apartment for a bit, but he had to travel to Ghana. So he rented the apartment to someone else since he will be away after he collected the first rent. You went behind his back and told the person that you are the owner of the apartment, and that the person should stop giving the Jamaican guy the money, but to you instead. If you did that, then that was not nice. It is scamming. He also saw other people put out text messages about you, Dee, what you did to them, and then you scam these other men also. If this is true, then I'm very disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed in you. Where is this? I'm in the other part. Sorry, let me just get this straight. Okay, love. Now is the word disappointment on this other part.
What happened?
Okay, so this has reached the end, and it was a very long message.
Just read the last part.
Okay, fine. I'm very disappointed in you. This Jamaican man's wife was reading these text messages out that these people have to say about you.
Yeah, family. So that
this is
it.
a comment on her latest
A recent video. That was a comment on a recent video, family. So I need to share your thoughts, and I need you, all of you guys who actually is for truths and rights and justice, to make noise. Make noise. Make noise. You know what I mean? Just ask her about the situation and get her to come out and address this situation, family. Yeah, family. This is Ankeru from Jamtours Africa. As I said, guys.
but what I like is that even a coin has two sides,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we need to
So-
hear your side. Come and say your side.
Okay, let me talk now. There are two sides of a coin, right? So if somebody comes out and says something about me, of course I'll come to defend it, whether true or false. Whether true or false. You hear what I've said? Whether true or false. So even if what you're saying is what did this word that Marwa used when he was back in US, in New York? There's a word he said, whatever it is that Jamtours is bluffing, or whatever word you used there. I feel like whatever it is that he has said, whether it's true or false, come and defend yourself.
Yeah.
And if it's not true, so how comes you had all those receipts and stuff?
Yeah.
So where did you get the receipts from?
Yeah,
Do we have two DeeMwangos in Kenya?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
And the full names, just that I don't want to read them out. We don't have those 3 full names in Kenya for somebody. Yeah. And a bank account is not held by 2 people. You understand?
Yeah.
My bank account won't be given to somebody else, just like you know, things like that. So yeah.
Fellas, so that's the car wash I'm going to use to wash this car.
Oh.
But today I'm going to actually my first spot. These guys normally, use them hand and go deep clean. So I want a deep clean. So let's go into that spot. So let's do that. Let's go. Yeah, family. So I know at the car wash, and as I said, it's like a manual car wash. Kevin, what's up? Give me a nice clean, and I want the tire them to clean up nicely. So Miss Jam Toes washing, as you can see, guys. You can see clean. I'm gonna get something like that because the rain messed up the entire car. So let's come back. So what we're gonna do, family, we're gonna go down to Nyeri, do a little shopping in Nyeri. I'll wait for this car to finish, then we come back. So let's go. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Toes didn't want to come to this car wash because look at the road. She was saying that once I wash the car, it's gonna mess up anyways. So I'll have to dilly-dally. What up, you wanna sit a little? Let's go down. Eh? Yeah, we'll go and sit at Nyeri. Guy, that's real diesel. Yeah, family, so we're heading to Nyeri to do a little shopping. Where is Kibanda? Yeah, family, so this is what it likes when you're actually in Kenya. And for the workman, they will actually eat like this. And you serve like that. This is how they eat. As you can see, workman coming out to get their lunch. Kibanda. Yeah, family. You got it. Yeah, guys, so the road here so is very messy. As you can see, the road is messy.
I want to know when you wash the car, what is the point of washing it?
No, so I can dilly-dally some spot that is actually dry. I'll just come around them. Yeah, family, this is land for sale in Kiambu, the richest county. 120 mil. Richest county in Kenya. Just like Jamaica, Jacksonville, Beverly Hills, Strawberry Hills.
Just an acre for 120 million. Now,
120 million.
If you want 2 acres, you put 240 million.
Yeah, that's just like 120 million Jamaican dollars. It's the same exchange rate. Yeah, family, so let's go.
But with 120 million in other counties,
yeah, you get the entire village.
You get the entire county.
Like buying land in the village is very cheap. You know what I mean? Yeah, family, so as I said, continue watching the vlog while we go to Nyeri. Guys, studio, hurry up. Greens that you can pick and eat.
Because you know why I'm saying that?
Yeah.
Thank God we don't live in green zone anymore. I think here your car will be dirty like 20 times.
Yeah. Yeah, family, let's go. Yeah, family, so this is like a small town in Kiambu. It's called what? Tindegwa. So this is like land for sale, you can see. This is land, real estate, property development.
He's in pipeline on that road for Grima. Isinya, right?
That's the
Pipeline Road.
Where is that?
Pipeline Road. The road we normally is going home.
Ah,
Like from Kiserian.
okay.
Up to Mom's place.
Yeah, so this place is selling land. Runda. So you guys have different.
We have all the package.
Wow. This is what River Rain is where, sweetie? Where is that?
Riverine,
Where is that?
Tengela.
Ah, that's too far.
We have Runda, which is here. We are selling at
So what you have to rent?
here is Runda.
Oh,
Royal.
well, okay.
Oh, the ones down here.
Oh, they run right there, 8
8
million.
million, yeah.
Oh, you have anything there to rent?
How much
I just
is
for
rent?
sale.
Land is 45,000.
Ah, for how much bedroom?
3 bedroom, we have 2.
You have one.
Yes,
Okay, 2. Ah,
Oh, you also have excuse.
Yes.
How much is ice cream?
let me take this one, cause it's just right there.
Mama, we can come with the
Yeah, we can.
Let me take this one. This one. This one is what? You can use this one.
We have a lot of.
Oh, this is everything.
Ah, okay.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Can we have your number?
07. Kaya ka.
You've written the correct one.
Sometimes you might
They'll keep calling.
they might call and understand that you have something nice with you.
But me, I have your number. Me, I'll call you when me I'm ready. What I normally do, you see the way like it's 07 something. So those last two digits,
Yeah.
I interchange them. That's how we used to do in KICC because why?
Yeah.
You're going from stall to stall and
Yeah.
everybody wants you to take their number. And it's not like I'm ready to buy.
Yeah.
But you know, once you see somebody, you're a potential customer.
Yeah.
This dress, I'm not putting it on.
Alright, it's too short. It's blowing up.
No, when you're standing, you're fine. But when you're walking, dress for them,
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we actually, you know what I mean? We're actually walking down in this small town in Kimbo. We have Quick Mart, we have Nyverse. We tend to like Nyverse more, but we still shop at Quick Mart sometimes. So this is depends on what you want. But they have something upstairs there. Salon. So this is Nyverse, family.
maybe I come here for my makeup.
Yeah, this is Nyverse.
Why are you keeping quiet? You're forward now. No, true.
This is Nyverse. Let's go. Hey family, so at the power wash place I'll pay like 600, 400. At this place I pay like 250 and I give the guy 270. And I feel like we get a better wash, don't you? Eh?
No.
So what you don't like about this wash? To me, I get a better wash, but to you, what you think?
I just don't like the place.
Yeah, so Miss Jam Tours don't like the place. Miss Jam Tours maybe like more flashier place. Why? Because it's not so professional.
Just looks anyhow.
So Miss Jam Tours don't like the place because the place look anyhow for a car wash. But I don't really watch that family. I just watch how clean the car is and how clean the rims is and stuff.
It's not
That's
like
what-
it's even clean.
And the fender them and all kind of thing. So Miss Jam Tours just say it don't clean.
Yeah, the other
Yeah.
place is much clean.
Alright, so we rate that and see. Miss Jam Tours the other place is cleaner. Yeah family, so on this DeeMwango case I just do a vlog while we incorporate this DeeMwango situation in because she feel like she gonna win, but she can't win. You know, any time will catch up with her, you know what I mean, and the law will catch up with her and the internet will catch up with our family because Jam Tours not gonna stop, you know what I mean, exposing her and for people to actually get on her neck for she to come out and resolve this Jam Tours issue. There's another comment somebody make and said, D, do yourself a favor and clear your name. That's a good statement. Clear your name because the internet don't forget about anything. You know what I mean? The internet will be always there and the future is what is important. Future prospect for business and all kind of thing. They will shy away from it because, you know what I mean, this thing is hanging over your head. So this person said, D, do yourself a favor and clear your name. D, you should forward and explain this is not good for Jam Tours to complain so much. Did you have an intimate relationship with D? So maybe she felt entitled to take the Airbnb apartment. So no, we never have no formal relationship because there's a lot of situation where, you know, that could never happen. So she need to come out and say her side of the story and make we know what is what. So it's good your Kenyan wife is supporting you. Please support your husband until it's resolved. D has to explain this. It's not fair to con a man just because he is a man. I agree 100%. Men do get hurt too, and D just covers it under the rug. Yeah, she just cover it under the rug. Like, you know, you should just be silent. Nobody should be talking about it, and she alone should be laughing to the bank. D, come forward and explain and resolve this issue once and for all. If D refuse, you know, I an attorney, I believe D is guilty 100% because D has a big mouth, and if she wasn't guilty, she would have come forward and run her mouth. Yeah, that's so true. If these things was actually, you know what I mean, if I was lying here and telling a lie, DeeMwango would come right now and blast out Jam Tours and actually, you know, say a lot of things about me. But because it's the truth, she can't say nothing, family. And that's the thing. She can't say nothing. She just wanna hide and keep brushing it under the rug and expect it to go away. But life doesn't work like that. The internet doesn't work like that, family. So I'm calling on you guys to make noise. You know what I mean? You know, ask her to come and say her side of the story. Ask her. Comment. Go over our video and comment until we want to hear the story about Jam Tours. You don't have to call Jam Tours name, but just mention there is this thing going on around in the internet and say your situation, you know, because all the evidence is there. So it's your time to come out and clear your name. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We are out. One love. God bless. I'm out.